Ever felt like your Twilio phone numbers are a beta euro scattered? Well, today we're untangling the confusion by showing you exactly how to transfer ownership of a phone number within Twilio, ensuring smooth management of your communication assets. First, log into your Twilio account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the phone number section. In the Twilio console, you'll find it in the left-hand navigation menu under phone numbers. Now, click on Active Numbers to see a list of all your Twilio phone numbers. Select the phone number that you want to transfer ownership of by clicking on it. This will take you to the phone number configuration page. Scroll down until you see the transfer number section. This is where the magic happens. In the email address to transfer the number to field, enter the email address associated with the Twilio account you want to transfer the number to make absolutely sure this is the correct email. Next, check the confirmation box to acknowledge that you understand the implications of transferring the number. Finally, click the transfer number button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the transfer request has been initiated. The recipient will receive an email with instructions on how to accept the transfer, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully initiated a Twilio number transfer. Stay tuned for more Twilio tips and tricks to help you master your communication infrastructure.